Here I have INTEX Aqua Power, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Keep holding power. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off. And then let's use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. Release both keys as soon as INTEX logo pops up. And the factory mode pops up in front of you. Here you can navigate by using volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to choose clear eMMC and press power key to confirm it. The device is formatting data, the phone is erasing all personal stuff and customized settings. And the phone is restarting and rebooting, so let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so now you can try to activate your device. As you can see, there is no pattern or a password, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.